Okay everyone, so today is Friday. It's about 11:30 in the morning. I should be in school right now, but I'm not. So what am I doing? I'm heading fishing. Welcome to another episode of Fishing Southern Maryland. Welcome to another episode of Fishing Southern Maryland. I'm your host, David. Okay, so before you think I'm playing hooky or something like that, right now, Southern Maryland, we are in the middle of a nor'easter. We've got lots of wind, we've had some rain. My school system actually canceled school for today in preparation for power outages and things of that sort. You can hear the wind behind me right here at the house. It's pretty bad. But they put trout in some of the local lakes, so I want to see if I can catch some. It's a 10-minute drive to the closest spot. I don't actually film when I'm driving because I think that's distracted driving. So let's go. There's my bait, little brown Panfish Magnet on a 1 32nd ounce jig with a float. I think we got a trout. Ah, it got off. Get it through this stuff. What have we got here? Looks like we got a rainbow. A nice rainbow trout. Yes! Yes, on the Panfish Magnet. There we go. Look at you. Yes, sir. But we're going to let this one go. Little rainbow trout, put and take trout. A student of mine a few years back told me, well, Mr. Redden, I've never caught a dry fish before. So here in the rain, first rainbow trout of the fall, put and take trout. They're here, and I'm going to try to catch a couple more. Might be taking some home with me tonight, at least one. Hopefully I didn't just release it, but we'll see. Fish number 2. Stay down. Stay down. Yeah, that's another nice rainbow trout. This one was caught a little differently. This one was caught a little differently. That hook is all the way down its gullet. I was planning on taking one of the fish home with me anyway. There's fish number 3. Ah, darn it. Okay, so 2 trout, multiple hookups where I just got them close to shore and they spit the hook and everything. Fun time, even though it's in the middle of the rain. Again, I don't really care. I'm going to go out and I'm going to try to have some fun. Caught a couple trout on a day I didn't even think I was going to get a chance to go fishing. Hope you enjoyed it. And until next time, tight lines.